We have newly arrival refugees. For them, they come to New Zealand and they see it as a completely foreign country. They're like, it's in the West, we're from the East. There's no way that there's any similarities between the two. And so we say, hey, there is actually a lot of similarities. We gotta look at, tangata whenua values and E Tū Whānau values. For example, aroha given without asking anything back. In Islam, we call that zakat. And korero afi is another great example because we always hold meetings. We always try to communicate until we reach to a decision that makes everyone happy. So korero afi for us is always very important. Coming into a new country, it's really hard. Not the same language, not the same culture, but there is the same values. And so that's when they feel like more, okay, I do kind of have a sense of belonging. It starts very slow. This is where you belong because there are things that you would find that are similar, for example, family gatherings and the importance of family and the importance of giving back to community. And so that's where the students and people from refugee background realize, okay, this is similar to home. I can find my place here.